Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel where we dive deep into the latest tech and gadgets. Today, we're looking at two flagship giants against each other, the new Google Pixel 9 Pro XL and the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. With these phones, you're getting the best of the best. But which one is worth your money? Let's find out. Let's kick things off with the price. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra starts at $1,299, while the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL comes in a bit lower at $1,099. That's a $200 difference, which might make the Pixel more appealing to those on a budget. But does the Pixel offer enough to justify the savings? Let's break it down. In terms of design, both phones are premium and eye-catching. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra sports a refined and bold design with a glossy finish, available in 4 titanium colors: black, gray, violet, and yellow. It has a boxy look with squared edges, giving it a solid, industrial feel. On the other hand, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL sticks to a more minimalist design, with a matte finish and a slimmer profile. It comes in 4 sophisticated colors: obsidian, porcelain, hazel, and rose quartz. It's lighter too, at 7.8 ounces compared to the 8.22 ounces of the S24 Ultra, making it slightly more comfortable to hold. Both phones feel premium in the hand, but your choice might come down to whether you prefer the bold, industrial design of the Samsung or the sleek, understated elegance of the Pixel. Next up, let's talk displays. The Galaxy S24 Ultra features a 6.8-inch QHD Plus AMOLED display with a dynamic refresh rate that adjusts between 1 and 120 Hz. It's bright, vibrant, and perfect for multimedia consumption or gaming. Samsung's displays are known for their punchy colors and deep blacks, and the S24 Ultra is no exception. Meanwhile, the Pixel 9 Pro XL also sports a 6.8-inch OLED display with a resolution of 1344 by 2992. The Super Actua technology ensures color accuracy and clarity, with the same 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. While it might not be as bright as the Samsung's AMOLED, the Pixel's display is more color accurate, making it great for those who value true-to-life colors. Both displays are top-tier, but if you're after brighter, more vivid colors, Samsung takes the lead. For those who prioritize color accuracy, the Pixel is your go-to. Under the hood, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, coupled with 12 GB of RAM. It's a beast in performance, handling everything from gaming to multitasking with ease. Plus, Samsung's One UI 6.0 adds a ton of features and customization, though it can be a bit overwhelming for some users. The Pixel 9 Pro XL, on the other hand, runs on Google's Tensor G4 chip, paired with a generous 16 GB of RAM. It's optimized for AI and machine learning tasks, making it incredibly efficient for day-to-day use. Running on pure Android 14, the Pixel offers a smooth, clean software experience without the bloatware, and it's always first in line for updates. Samsung wins in raw power and gaming performance, but if you value a clean and fast software experience, the Pixel stock Android with 16 GB of RAM is a big plus. Both phones excel in photography but take different approaches. The Galaxy S24 Ultra comes with a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Samsung's camera setup is incredibly versatile, offering excellent zoom capabilities and detailed shots even in low light. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is no slouch either, featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 48-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x zoom. But the Pixel's secret weapon is Google's computational photography, which delivers stunning photos with great dynamic range and detail, especially in challenging lighting conditions. Plus, the Pixel's 42-megapixel front camera is perfect for high-res selfies. If you're into mobile photography and need powerful zoom, the S24 Ultra is your best bet. But for those who want consistent, high-quality shots with a superior front camera, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is hard to beat. When it comes to battery life, Both phones are equipped with around 5,000 mAh batteries, so you can expect all-day usage. The S24 Ultra supports 45W fast charging, which can get you from 0 to 50% in about 20 minutes. The Pixel 9 Pro XL, however, has a slightly larger 5,060 mAh battery, but it only supports 37W wired charging. It also offers wireless charging up to 15W with the Pixel stand. While not as fast as Samsung's, the Pixel's charging speeds are still respectable. For those who need fast charging, the S24 Ultra has the edge, but the Pixel's slightly larger battery could give you a bit more longevity. So, which one should you choose? The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is the ultimate powerhouse with its superior display, versatile camera system, and blazing fast performance. It's perfect for power users who want the best of everything. The Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, on the other hand, offers a refined and streamlined experience with its pure Android software, top-notch camera capabilities, and excellent value for the price. If you're looking for a more affordable flagship that doesn't compromise on performance, the Pixel is a fantastic option. Ultimately, it comes down to what you prioritize in a smartphone, whether it's raw power, camera versatility, or a clean software experience. Thanks for watching. Which phone would you pick? The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra or the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech comparisons and reviews. See you in the next one.